Hey, it's Paar here, and we're going to show you how to make these awesome landing pages in a matter of minutes. We've got a longer video. Hit that button up above, and I'll have a link for a more lengthy video on doing this. But we're going to show you how to build with this software really incredible funnels. And you can see here that we've got these great funnels. This is for a mortgage company. This is for a dental implant company with surveys and everything. So before we get going, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if this video is any help to you, and we appreciate it. And I've got a 30-day trial right below, so grab that, and there's no obligation. So let's get. Okay, so we're going to jump in here, and we are in HighLevel, and we have a white label version. If you want a snapshot of any of these, reach out to me if you sign up with that link below. We'll get that to you. Or if you want a done-for-you funnel or a complete setup of the software ready to go, we offer that also. Just comment in the comment section that you need that, or done for you. Just comment done for you, and we'll reach out to you. So first we're going to go into marketing. And or actually we'll go to sites. I take that back. So in sites, we can build funnels, websites, forms, surveys, quizzes, chatbots, WordPress, blogs, whatever. So we're going to build something like we just showed you in the beginning here. We're going to build a simple funnel to get people in for dental implants. So that's our goal here, is to get in high ticket items. Now this pertains to any business. You can build this, and we'll show you. So we'll just jump in here. We're going to say new funnel, and we always go from blank. They've got a lot of great stuff, but we'll just call this dental implants typing, then we'll be good to go. So we'll jump in here, and we're just going to add a new step. So this is basically just go in. We're going to name this page. So we're going to edit this, and if you saw that, I'm just going to go back real quick. You can split test, so you can try two different versions. We always split test everything. We want to compare and see what's best. We even on YouTube will split test thumbnails. So we're going to add a column width, and we're going to go with full width. And then we want to do two columns. We want our address or location, and we want a logo in here. So we're just going to select an image, and we're going to drop an image in from our media library. So we just go over here, and we've got this nice generic logo here. And then we're just going to add in some text here, and we're just going to say, this is probably where you want a phone number, 888-111-222. And then maybe you want to put in the location, just so people are clarified that when they get into this, that it's not some other state and that it's within their reach. So we're going to save this, and we can add in some SEO data to make this thing rank really nice. So we've got that, and now the next step that we're going to do is we're going to add another full width column, and then we're going to add some rows here to put in our survey. So the footer is a good place to actually put in like your privacy policy. If you're running any ads or anything like that, you want to have a privacy policy to stay compliant. And so we're just going to add one column here, and then we're going to add an element, and we're just going to put in, we'll just select this, and we're going to drop in our copyright. And then we can add a link in here if we want, and just say privacy policy, and connect that Facebook, any ads that you're running that want a privacy policy. And then if we just want to change the color of this this down here, I want to change it. We'll just change it to gray, and then there we go, and we can save this. And then the next step is to check it out, see how it looks. So we'll go into a preview of it, and that's the way it looks. Now, just remember, we do marketing. I've been doing it for 20 years. You want to keep things simple. You don't want it to make it look like a website that they can click out of. You just want them to go through the survey and answer the questions, and you can see how it populates this, and then it asks for more information. And then once you get to here, it will ask for name, email, phone number, and then you've got a qualified lead. So, and the cool thing is with these surveys, if there wasn't something, say they can't afford it, well, it will just disqualify it so it doesn't waste your time. So that's how you build these out. And we'll have a more complex one on any occupation that you're looking for. If you want us to do a YouTube on a particular funnel page or building one of these out, just leave that that industry or that service that you're looking for in the comment section. We'll do a video on it. Thanks for watching. Remember, grab that 30-day trial. If this was any helpful to you, hit that like button. I appreciate that. That's all I ask for. And hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you guys.